What is up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aura. If you're new here, please do like, subscribe, comment. If you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you came back. Today we are getting into waist training, and waist training has not gone out of style, but the waist trainers that you're using have probably gone out of style. So I have been using the Luxx Curves waist trainer, and Luxx Curves has the best waist trainer that I have ever used in my entire life. Okay, this first of all has a very beautiful design on it. And I've never seen a waist trainer that had such a gorgeous design. On their website, you can pick from different designs, whatever type of design you want. But this is the one that they sent me, and I really love it because it's just gorgeous. It's beautiful. I love flowers. So, but besides that, look at the material, okay? So it does not stretch very much. It really does not stretch very much at all. And so what that means is you're actually getting your body contoured the way that it should be. Many waist trainers are very stretchy. Okay, the Luxx Curves waist trainer is not very stretchy at all, but it is very tight, especially in this area here where you would probably like to have that contour, right, to kind of accentuate your curves. So I'm gonna put this on and show you guys what it looks like when it's on. I also want to mention that many other waist trainers, they will lift up, okay, because they're not made of the right material. It's just too elastic. On me, at least, it'll either rise up here or rise down here in the back and in the front. Okay, so the waist trainer from Luxx Curves, because it is made with such high quality, this waist trainer does not rise up, it does not rise down. They have different sizes for your specific torso and your specific measurements. My measurement is an extra large, and I want to show you guys how great the material is. I mean, it does its job. Okay, and the quality of the material is just absolutely amazing. Okay, so best waist trainer I have used so far. I also want to mention that when you do put this waist trainer on, you have to get used to learning how to do so because, like I said, this waist trainer does not move. Okay, so it might take you a little bit to get used to learning how to put the waist trainer on, but I promise you it's not difficult. It's not too difficult at all. After I put this on, I'll be right back. Okay, it's grabbing my hair. Okay, you guys, so we have our Luxx Curves waist trainer all the way on. Okay, so that took me maybe about 2 to 3 minutes to do because, like I said, look at this. I'm pulling hard. It doesn't move, okay? It is very, very sturdy, high quality material. But that's exactly what you want to get the results that you need, okay? You don't want to be spending money on waist trainers that don't work. So the Luxx Curves waist trainer will work for you if you use it consistently, okay? So you want to use your trainer consistently. That means every day or some portion of the day for a certain amount of hours per day, etc. especially if you're working out. When you're working out, this is made of pretty thick material. So if you are working out, you want to wear this waist trainer because the material is so thick that it will help you to sweat more. Okay, and when you sweat more in your abdomen area, you have an even smaller abdomen. So that's if you are exercising. Now, someone like me, like I said, I have been using this trainer for about 22 days now, and I have not been exercising at all. Okay, I have not been exercising. I have been doing the keto diet, so it is pretty much clean eating. I have been cooking for myself, making salmon salads and turkey tacos and things like that with keto tortillas or keto bread, etc. But if you are dieting, especially clean eating, and also you want to eat less than your normal calorie range for someone of your body type. So as long as you're eating less calories than what is set for you according to your BMI, weight, and height, you will lose weight, especially if you're exercising. And exercising does not have to be going to the gym. You can walk around the block 10 times and be exercising. You can walk around the block 5 times and be exercising. I'm gonna start tomorrow with 1 time around the block so that I can start exercising. I have not been exercising at all for the past 3 years. It's been a while. But anyways, so those are the basics to the waist trainer. You want to use it consistently. Make sure you're using it consistently to see results. Make sure you're eating clean, no processed foods to see results. Make sure that you are exercising if you can. Start with whatever you need to when it comes to exercising. You can exercise in your bed and do leg raises or crunches. You can start wherever you feel like you need to start, and that's what I've been doing. I've been doing crunches and leg raises and things like that, bicycling, scissor legs, things like that in the bed lately. And now I think it's time to move to the next step. So it's always okay to start small. But when it comes to using the Luxx Curves trainer, I love this trainer so much. It's my absolute favorite because I have been wearing it for, like I said, the past 22 or 21 days. And it has been absolutely perfect for me. It fits perfectly, as you can see. It definitely does its job because I've seen results. And also, as I was doing those leg raises in the bed, I noticed that my stomach started to sweat. So you can feel that. It'll start to get wet in there. Okay, so that's a good thing though. That's a great thing. You're releasing toxins and things like that from your body and your skin. Releasing water weight from your body is a great thing, and it's great for weight loss. Duh. So anyways, I just wanted to come on here and quickly show you guys my Luxx Curves, and that's Luxx Curves waist trainer. This is what it looks like in the back. Now let's talk about sizing. Okay, so you will be sized by Luxx Curves. You can ask them for help. Their customer service is awesome. Okay, so you can always ask their customer service any questions you like. But when it comes to the sizing, I am an XL. And I will know that I'm seeing results in probably I would say about 20 more days of consistent usage of the Luxx Curves waist trainer, because I am going to start exercising, and I already eat clean, but I eat fatty. You know what I'm saying? So the exercising will kind of counter that out. I'm not sure what's up with my voice today, so I'm sorry, you guys. When it comes to the waist training and the 3 sizing lines that you have here, know that first, you have customer service if you have any questions about your sizing. Second, when you get to your 3rd row, when you finally achieve that 3rd row, you will be able to size up, or there's a sizer. There is an attachment that you can purchase from their website that will help you to actually size up, and it's just like an attachment of this part. And or you can choose a new waist trainer. It's definitely up to you, but I will have all of the information on Luxx Curves in the description box. I want to thank Luxx Curves so much for sponsoring this video. They are absolutely awesome, and they do work. I promise you that. All right, so thanks so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.